Hello, this is a video on how to access Kodi and Mobdro on your Fire Stick. Thank you everyone for the purchase. So the first step you need to do is go to the home screen. Do that first by pressing the little house icon on your controller, and it should take you to this screen right here. Go down to your games and apps, and you should be able to find Kodi. This is a letter K in a diamond looking icon. If you don't see it, go ahead and scroll all the way over here, click on See All, open it up, and you should be able to find it in here. Okay? Alright. So this is the main menu of everything for Kodi. This is where you're going to be able to watch your movies, your TV shows, and your sports on here, and Kids Zone as well. Depending on your internet speed, give it some time to load up. To be able to watch movies, you can go ahead and search up here for the latest movies. There's a search button right here. But what I like to use is Yoda. That's the one I like to use for movies. So go ahead and hit the Yoda icon, click it one time, only one time, give it some time to load up, especially if it's the first time loading up for everything. And you can go to movies, click it one time, and you can choose any category you want, any movie out there. The bottom right icon should show you that it's working. Make sure you only click it one time for these things. You gotta be patient with it. Double clicking it or triple clicking it will most likely kick you out and you will have to do it again. So just be patient with it. It's a pain at first to get used to, but trust me, after a week of using it or so, you should be able to get the hang of it really easily. Just for your information, if the movie is brand new and it just came out, like a week ago or 2 weeks ago, it's not going to be the best quality because it's not out technically on DVD yet or anything that's out there on the web. So obviously it's not going to be the best quality. It's going to be whatever they have out there for you. Like this new Spider-Man movie. We'll try that one out. Go ahead and click it one time. Give it some time to load. What it's doing right now is it's pulling all the sources from the internet to find you the best source for the movie. Alright, once you get to this screen, what it's doing is it's giving you the best sources for the movies you're gonna have out there for the movie. You usually want to click on the top one, single click it, give it some time, and sometimes it might pop up saying you gotta go to a website and activate it. You can do that on your cell phone. It's fairly quick. Alright, so when it asks you to go to olpair.com, just go ahead and launch your web browser on your phone. Make sure you are connected to your internet. It's going to be olpair.com. Go ahead and hit go. On this website, all you need to do is go and hit that "You are not a robot." It's going to ask you to verify. Alright, once you verify it and pass that test, just go and hit pair. It's going to send you to a different website. Don't worry about it. Just exit out that. But as you can tell that it's successfully paired, and it should automatically send you to your movie or your TV show on the Fire Stick. This one we got pretty lucky. We were able to see it on the first time, You can scroll through it just to show you that it works fine. I'm not going to play it for long because I don't want to get copyrighted. So we got pretty lucky with that one. We got a good stream on that. But like for example, we'll go to this new movie, How to Train Your Dragon. It's got released this year. So click it one time, give it some time to load. Alright, So once you get to this screen, you're gonna see all the best streams out there. So some of the issues some people have been getting is when they click on the first stream, sometimes it kicks you out, and then it moves on to the next one. If it doesn't, you need to go down and click on the next one to go test it out. So, alright, so this one, I click on it and nothing happens. It opens up and nothing happens. Yeah, it just kicks me right back out. So what you need to do is you need to go to the second one. Click it one time. Give it some time to load up. See, if you pay attention to what it's doing right now, it's moving down the list. Sometimes, if it doesn't work, it'll do that. See, this one's being a little bit slower compared to the last movie, as you can tell. You gotta be patient with it. So no luck with this one. So we'll go down. You can scroll down a little bit too. You can try out. Keep going down the list. Eventually one of these will work. So eventually we clicked on number 6 and it finally worked.
Are as colorful as you get.
As you can tell, the movie works. Like I said, you gotta be patient with these things. So it took me a while to find it. You know, I had to go down the list until I reached number 6 to get the movie. But, you know, you're not paying any more than, you know, the amount that it costs to get this thing. There's no monthly fees for this thing at all, and you don't have to worry about any of that with this. You know, that's the cost you're gonna have to pay when it comes to getting free stuff like this. You know, you got TV shows, it's the same thing for it as well. You gotta be patient with it. It takes a while to get used to, but yeah, feel free to play around with it and test it out. I recommend that's just one application in this. That was Yoda. That's the one I use for movies. If that one for some reason you don't like it, you can go to this one right here, Exodus. That's a good one as well. If not, Magic Dragon is a good one as well. They're all the same application. What it is, it's a engine searching base. It grabs all the movies online and brings it for you onto your TV, so you can watch it without having to, you know, go through a bunch of different websites to do it. If you have an issue with Kodi, the app where you can watch movies, if it just for some reason runs slow, same thing, it may just need a fresh restart. So go over to settings, applications, manage installed apps, Kodi. Go ahead and click force stop. Do not click uninstall. That will totally get rid of the program for you, and you'll most likely have to get it reinstalled. But go ahead and hit launch application after you click force stop. Like I said, if you have any questions, just let me know. Shoot me a message, and I can do my best to help you out. But I know Game of Thrones is definitely coming back right now, so so a lot of people wanting to get the show and stuff, so you can watch it on here as well. It's the same procedure with it. I'll show you guys one more time. So once you get in here, go ahead and find the season you want to watch. And what it's doing again is it's trying to find you the best stream for the show, for that episode. Okay. Go ahead and Like we have an issue here with the first one, so we're gonna go to the second one now. Click it one time. Alright, so this one, it's gonna ask you to pair with the website. All it's doing is it's authorizing that you are watching this video on your network, that you're not like a computer or a robot or anything. All you need to do is just visit that website right there on the screen, the https //olpair.com. And when you're on that website, all you need to do is activate that you are not a robot and click pair. I will put that clip in here right now to show you guys. And once you do that, it should be able to load up. Don't worry about that bar. It's just making sure that you have to activate it during that time. If not, if you don't make it, it's fine. Go ahead and cancel it and do it again. Alright, thank you guys for watching my video. If you guys have any more questions, just let me know in the comments down below.